Surf's Up Aussies decide to film a video on a country that doesn't exist for the occasion. Steve Irwin lies, Bindi Irwin lies, Robert Irwin by curious propaganda. And much like this documentary, that person isn't real. Well, the director's real, the voice isn't. Today we're talking about Australian Big Birds, released in 2021. I've been very perplexed by this film because other than what TUBI gave me, finding information on it is nearly impossible. The director, Carlo Ferraro, has a whole bunch of documentaries under his name, which is why it was so tragic to me to hear this film's audio and realize it's just another text-to-speech film, with many others like them on TUBI.
Australian brush turkey inhabits rainforests and wet sclerophyll forests, but can also be found in drier scrubs. He eats anything, especially people's scraps left on parks and forests, campsites, and parking sites.
I really don't want to criticize Carlo because he has a bunch of great films under his name. When researching his own YouTube channel, you can see playlists full of beautiful cinematography. But this film is only bird after bird with chirping audio in the background the entire time.
Black swans are widespread throughout much of Australia and occur wherever there is a wetland.
And the text-to-speech narrations moving from bird to bird, narrating more like a field guide than an actual documentary. And it's not like he couldn't hire an actual voice actor. Ferraro's films have used actual narration in the past, like this snippet from his film Andy's Adventures in 2001.
The Venezuelan Andes are well known for their fantastic landscapes, as well as the peaceful life of this area. However, as you will soon see, these Andes are also a #1 spot for a fabulous vacation and adventure.
So that's why it's disappointing to see that in only 20 years he's moved on to text-to-speech, a slow climb in where we're heading, replacing humans. Anyway, we will be covering Australian Big Birds with some help from our real-life Aussie.
Alright guys, we're in the forest looking for birds, bird watching. Look at all this. I feel like we're gonna find a bird. Like somewhere, it's gotta be somewhere. We'll just keep treachering down the trail until we find just like any of these birds on the screen. We'll try and find them. Maybe we'll even find this one. A little bit of a downward spiral, downward trail. Not good for my knees. Ooh. But so beautiful. Oh yeah. Now, I can see an ant's nest, or is it an ant's nest? Could be. I'm not sure. But I'll keep looking. Oh, I hear something. I definitely hear something. Ooh, a little fly just went in my mouth. Lovely. Not too much birds around this area, but at night time there's plenty of bats. Definitely. Oh, look at what we have here. Some bird got a bit too mad. Broke off the branch. Caused a whole storm. I can't see much. We'll keep looking. Can't see much. We'll keep a looking. That's a big tree. Oh, don't hit my head. Ooh. Alright, Wiley, just in case I don't see a bird, we'll put one right here. We'll put... Oh, wow. Look at that one. Oh, here. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. That is superb. I don't even know what that's called. Wiley, put it on the screen. Wilson! Lo siento! Lo siento, Wilson! Wow. That one is so beautiful. Alright, keep trekking through, trying to find some more birds. Oh yeah. It's great shrubs. Great everything. Oh, beautiful wildlife. in Australia. Oh, and the grass is just thriving right here. It's great. It's so good. Wow. Just look at all of this nature. Everything's flourishing. Ow. Ow. What is that? Was that a bee? I think I just got stung by a bee. Yeah, but the nature's flourishing. Oh, I can hear a bird. You can hear all of those. But where are they? I can't see any. You can hear them. They're all around us. Oh, there's some flying. But you can't see many. Like, you can't, like, get a closer look on them. Oof. Looks like, I don't know if you have it in America, but in the night garden. Woof. Whoa. Don't want to do that. We can see just so much green, and it's so lovely. So lovely. Oh, look at that dark oak. It's like Minecraft. It's got all that shaded area. I bet if I ventured off the track, I could definitely find a wallaby. Maybe on the way back. I'll try and look for one. But it seems like I can't find anything. But you can hear all those birds. You just can't see them. Speaking to each other. Or having sex.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
We'll get into the end of the trail. Looks that's the end. You can kind of see it. Flat grass. They're just noisemakers. Whew. But this seems like the end, unless I find something. Oh, surely. I can't see anything. Oh, but it's so... Oh, look at this. Nice little creek. Little creek down. Step. More steps. Oh, come on, man. I feel like I could look at it. Oh, well. Maybe from the end of the trail where the basketball court is. Oh. But you can hear so much. For some reason the recording like sped up, but in that forest, all we found was a bush turkey and that other thing. I don't even know what it's called, but I'll see you guys later. Peace.
What a great video. I sure hope my drop bear does not get me.
Ah!